In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own character in Adobe Express. Now, to do this, you actually want to use their tool, which is called Animate Characters. So you want to go to the top left, click on the plus button, and then in here, type in Animate. And as you can see, Animate Characters is over here. So simply click on it. It's going to open up their tool in here. And here's where you can create and customize your very own character. Now, you can see my over here. I actually created this one earlier on, but I'm now going to go and create a new one to show you how to do this. First, you want to select the character. You have categories over here. You can go and select and filter by them, or you can just scroll down and see all the character possibilities. So for example, I'm just going to select like a random one over here. Maybe let's do this one, okay? Then whenever you select your character, you of course can move it around. You can go and change its size, you can move it, etc. And then you can also change the scale down here at the very bottom if you want to as well. So I'm gonna make this one actually quite small like this, and I'm gonna position it about in the middle. Then when you've selected your character, your very own one, you can go to background, and here you can go and of course select any of these available backgrounds over here. Or you can also go and upload an image and use that image as your background. So if I click on here, open it, there we go, we have the custom background. You can also fit height, fit width, or fill background, etc. Up to you. Or you could just go again and of course use any of these. So for example, for this video, I'm actually going to use a simple field over here, just like this. Then you want to go to size. Here you can select the aspect ratio for any of these platforms, or you could go and select any of these presets over here. For this one, actually, I'm just going to go into a square and I'm going to put this on here. Let's say that's going to be our character, just like that. Now, here you can go ahead and basically record your character's dialogue, or you could also browse it on your computer. Now, as you can see, there's 2 minutes maximum and of course 1 GB max per upload, and these are the files supported. Or you can just click on the record button and you can of course allow your mic and you can start basically talking, and it's going to of course recognize whatever you're saying. And then when you click on the done button, it's going to start generating, processing, stuff like that. And when this upload of course reaches the end over here, it's going to animate your character and it's going to speak with your own voice, which you used to record or upload over here. Now, mind you, this is usually quite quick, but if you have like 2 minutes or like a huge audio file, it could take up to a few minutes to complete. Just make sure you don't actually close this window and it's going to be fine. It's going to basically render this in, and you'll see of course your final result, which I'm going to show you here in just a second when this project is done. So you'll be able to then play it, download it, you can go and edit it, whatever. As you can see, there we go, we have it here. If I play this, and it's going to of course recognize whatever you're saying. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually quite cool. It has this little animation, which is also quite nice. I actually like it. So yeah, that's it. Then you can go and download it, open an editor, or whatever you want to do with it. So that's it. That's how to create it. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.